अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Inshallah, in this video, we are going to learn a nice and good story between Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh and an atheist. Atheist who does not believe in any God. He is called the atheist. And this much of a very important question that atheist does not believe on any God. So and also the debate, that one also a great Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh. So what happened between the Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh and these atheists? The topic was that only, is there any Allah Ta'ala, is there any God in this world? Because that person was the atheist, he does not believe in any God, in any Khuda. And when the people knew that the debate is going to happen between the great Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh and this atheist, which one is called in Urdu language Dahriya. Yes, now the topic was decided that let's prove, is there any Allah Ta'ala, is there any God in this world? Because this atheist does not believe. So the topic decided, and also the time was fixed for understanding purpose on Sunday at 10 o'clock. All the people in that place, they gather and they are waiting. So when the debate will start, and also these atheists arrive in time. That on that particular day, Sunday at time 10 o'clock, all persons are waiting. But still Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh did not arrive, did not come. But Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh arrive, reach late. That atheist asked Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh, you are the so great Imam and already we fixed the time, and why did you come late? Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh replied that, if I tell you why did I come late, so listen here. I came from the house in time, but I reached to the village. So on the village near the river I stood. What did I see? That automatically I saw one tree. So what happened? That tree fell down and it became the tables, and that tree automatically it cut, and from that tree what happened? One small boat, one ship, automatically that one ship became there. What I am saying, I was very shocked that automatically what is going on? That boat from one bank to another bank, from one corner to another corner, this boat is coming and going. Not only this boat is coming and going, but some passengers are sitting from this corner to that corner. So this boat is leaving from this place to that place, and also this boat is taking the money also. When Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh said these things, So the atheist, thus Dahriya, who does not believe in any God, in any Allah, he laughed loudly and said that such a great Imam, you are such a great and big Imam, and you are telling this type of lie. How can I believe? How can a tree without any cutter, how can it cut? And without no one is making the boat, no one is making the ship, without making from that wood any carpenter is not there. Without a carpenter, how can a boat prepare? And also without a driver, without a sailor who runs the ship, who run the boat, so how can it run? And also without the man, how can that boat and that ship takes the money itself? Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh said to him that, this point only I want to tell you. You are telling that this sky, this land, these trees, these seas, and in the world, thousands of things are running without any creator. You believe that, so the rain is falling without any God, without any Allah Ta'ala. These the water is flowing itself without any Allah Ta'ala. You tell that in the world thousands of works are happening without Allah Ta'ala, without the Creator, without the God. How it is possible? When you do not believe that only one tree, I told you only one example, that one tree only cut and it became the goat, it became the boat, and it is only running in the river, it is only collecting the money. So when you do not believe in these small things, how can I believe that this big world, so there is skies, mountains, thousands of animals, birds, human beings, without any creator, without any God, without any Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how it can run? Once these atheists, Dahriya, listen from Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh, and Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh explain him in such a way that he understood his mistake and he accepted his mistake, and he himself accepted the Islam, and he did the Tawbah, and he said that yes, I was in a mistake, and he accepted the Islam. So this was the story between Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh and between the atheist, between the Dahriya. So in this lesson, in this story, lot of points are there. The one point, the great point is that who is Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh? Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh, the greatest Imam, and Hazrat Imam Azam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh gave 100 of examples. So which one help us? So thank you for watching the video. If you like, if any comment from your side, please comment it, and please remember me in your dua.